Alright, tonight, in the middle of a rainstorm, I'm going to teach you how to hang five. The basic concept of a hang five is just leaning over and balancing. Kind of like that, but longer. Guys, by just leaning over, pushing, balancing a little. Just keep doing that until you get it. Until you get it. Also, in hang fives, you gotta work on your foot placement. I put my foot up here because it's easier to push off and balance with. Some people put it down there, down hard. And for the really daring, you can put it on the deck, which is just stupid. The finished product should look like this.